Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15, Test 3, the Writing Task 1, the Informal Letter. A friend of yours is thinking about applying for the same course that you did at university. He or she has asked for your advice about studying this subject. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, give details of the course you took at the university. Explain why you recommend the university and give some advice about how to apply. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Dash. This 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Janardhan. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, give details of the course you took at the university. In para 3, explain why you recommend the university. In para 4, give some advice about how to apply. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with Best regards, Fred. The following slides show an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Janardhan, I am excited to hear that you are considering applying for the same course I did at university. Studying anthropology at Berkeley's was an enriching experience that I highly recommend. The course curriculum was comprehensive, offered a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical applications that prepared me well for my career. Berkeley stands out for its dedicated faculty members who are experts in their field, providing invaluable guidance and support throughout the program. Also, I can vouch for the professors. They are the best in the teaching world. While applying, be sure to highlight your passion for the subject, relevant experiences, and extracurricular activities that demonstrate your commitment and skills. Take the time to thoroughly research the course requirements and tailor your application accordingly. I am more than happy to provide further insights or assistance as you navigate the application process. Best of luck, and I hope to soon welcome you as a Berkeley student. Best regards, Fred.